Students, very good morning. Today I am teaching you few miscellaneous problems on coefficient of variation, where one of the problem from Allies Money textbook goes like this. The Shareholders Research Center of India recently conducted a research study of price behavior of three leading industrial shares A, B and C for the period 1990 to 1995, the results of which are published as in its quarterly journal. Name of the share ABC, average price 18, 22.5, 24, standard deviation 5.40, 4.50, 6, and the current selling price is 36, 34.75, 39. This is your current selling price, nothing but market price. This is the average price, nothing but from 1990 to 1995. To represent one number overall, what was the price, this average price is given, and based on this they have computed the standard deviation. Which share in your opinion appears to be more stable in value? In which of these three shares, which one would you like to dispose of at present and why? The first question is, which share in your opinion appears to be more stable in value? To know the stability or the variability of the given data, always you need to compute your coefficient of variation. As you all know, if coefficient of variation is less, then higher is the stability, more is the homogeneity in the data. If your coefficient of variation is more, then it means that there is more variability in the data. Now we need to find out which one is more stable. So where you have less CV, that you need to select, which you need to keep with yourself, and which one to disinvestment, nothing but sell. The second question, which one would you like to dispose of? For that you need to find out the share which has more CV. So we need to find out which has least, which has more, and then decide which one to keep with ourselves, which one to dispose of for the given questions. Let's go with the calculation of CV, where CV is standard deviation divided by mean into 100, as you all know. Now for share A, standard deviation is 5.4 divided by average price is 18 into 100, which is 30%. For share B, 4.50 divided by 22.5 into 100, which is 20%. For share C, it is 6 divided by 24 into 100, which is 25%. If you look at all these three, the CV is very minimum in case of share B. So this is considered to be more stable. Nothing but the variability in the share prices is very less in case of share B. Now, which has more CV where it is highly variable, that is in case of share A. In case of share A, if you look at CV, it is 30%. It means that there is maximum variation in case of share A. So which one to keep with you for the investment purpose? As the variation is very less in case of share B, you need to retain this with you, and as share A has higher coefficient of variation, you need to dispose this immediately, as this has more variable. So this is how you need to solve if problems are given like this with your conclusion. Please remember, these kind of questions can be questioned for 5 marks, where your final conclusions which you give, which one to retain, which one to dispose, that carries 2 marks. Don't forget to give your remarkable conclusions for these kind of problems. I hope you have followed this. Thank you.